Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. My name is G. Radha Krishna. I am studying in the 8th class. Ramayana. In Dwapara Yugam, Sri Lord Vishnu avatar like a Krishna. In Kreta Yugam, the Lord Vishnu avatar like a Sri Rama. In Kali Yugam, Lord Vishnu avatar like a Sri Venkateshwara. Today I want to say about Kreta Yugam, about Rama, as called Ramayana. Ramayana, the first poet originated in the world, and author is Sri Maharshi Valmiki, the first poet, and he also called Adi Kavi. Ramayana was divided into 7 parts or kandas: Balakanda, Ayodhyakanda, Aranyakanda, Kishkindakanda, Sundarakanda, Yuddhakanda, Uttarakanda. Today I want to say about Yuddhakanda. Rama, Lakshmana, Varana reached Lanka, the battle. After crossing the ocean, Rama sent Angada to Ravana's court as a messenger. Angada went to Ravana's court and delivered Rama's message. Return Sita with honor or face destruction. Ravana was engaged and did not agree and told, "Get lost my kingdom and prepare for the war." Angada returned with Ravana's message and delivered to Rama as preparation for the war. Next day, Lord Rama ordered to Varanas to attack the kingdom. The monkeys rushed forward, huge boulders of city gates and walls. The battle will continue for a long time. Thousands were died on each side. Thousands of demons were died by Lord Rama. Rakshasas were slain by Lord Rama. Ravana losing its relatives. Then he ordered his brother Kumbhakarna to go and fight. If Kumbhakarna was a gained who slept 6 months and awakened 6 months. Kumbhakarna was a dangerous asura. If he wake up in the middle of his sleep, it is dangerous for a Lanka. He get vanam from Brahma. As usual, Kumbhakarna were awakened in middle of his sleep. He created new war upon the Varanas, but in no time Rama used special arrow upon Kumbhakarna. He fell down and he lost its life. When Ravana's army were losing, Indrajit, the son of Ravana, took the commander as he ability to fight. His original name was Meghanath. As he defeated Indra, he got a name as Indrajit. Indrajit and Lakshmana invisible in a Greece battle. By staying invisible, Indrajit shot a missile at Lakshmana. It descending like a fights and heard a chest for Lakshmana. Everyone thought that Lakshmana was killed, but one of the Sushena, one of the commander of Varana, concluded that Lakshmana was unconscious. He also told that Sanjeevani mountain is helpful for Lakshmana's illness. With the blessing of Rama, Hanuma went to Himalaya and bring Sanjeevani mountain on the way, and small piece fell down into Andhra Pradesh, as we called as Kondagattu, the famous temple in Andhra Pradesh. The Sushena cured the Lakshmana's illness, and now the Lakshmana and Indrajit invisible in the gruesome battle. Now Lakshmana killed Indrajit. By the sun dead news, Lakshmana came to the battlefield. When Rama and Ravana face to face, he realized it Rama none other than Lord Vishnu, but he not realized his mistakes upon his wife Sita. When battle would continue, Rama's chariot was smashed. He was helpless before Rama. Rama took pity on him and told, rest tomorrow, rest today, return tomorrow to the battle continue. Ravana was ashamed. He realized his mistake, but he pride on proud and the Lanka kingdom, king of Lanka. Thus he not realized. Next day, Ravana came a beautiful charioteer, but in no time Rama used special arrow. With the help of Vibhishana, he used special arrow. He hurt in the stomach. That's Ravana fell down and he lost its life. When the news told that the Rakshasas for Sita came Rama and killed Ravana. Sita were bathed and she came in a palanquin in front of Rama. But Rama told, if you are 10 months in another kingdom, I will not accept such lady to of my wife. Sita proved his chariot like Agni Pravesham. Thank you, Jai Jai Sri Sudarshan.